कैसे जहां में रहेंगे ऐसी.
The school massacre on December 16th affected people in Pakistan and beyond. As Pakistan's leading artist and as a parent, what was your immediate reaction?
Shock and anger and disappointment and disgust and a lot of these emotions that you really can't put into words. And I feel that
Did you cry?
when I was recording the song, because to be very honest, I'd kept it inside me for a long time, but when I actually went to it in the recording, that's where it all came out.
It's a tribute.
Yeah.
What's the message you're trying to put across?
The world has to see that here we are standing together, all of us together, singing out for our children, for our future children, for the future of this country. Because this is the Pakistan that we want to see, a Pakistan which is progressive, which is tolerant, which prioritizes education.
A lot of Pakistanis are scared of Taliban. Politicians have been scared. Artists are scared. That's why they don't want to confront them directly.
The fact that 40 of our local artists came together without a second thought to send out a strong message and owe to the Peshawar children and stand together and show that Pakistan will rise out of this shows that that time is gone.
There is courage now for people to come out
Because
and
you
say,
don't have a choice. You don't have a choice. They're there in your schools, they're in your houses. Your children are not safe.
will it make a difference?
See, my job was to try and make a difference. And that's what we should all aspire for. The time has come that we face the truth, we admit to our blunders, and we act, all of us, together as one.